my gosh, ang ganda ng bagong song ng favorite boy band ko. Ah! Pero bakit ang daming hype sa group na to? Parang hindi naman sila ganun kagaling. Time to stir the pot a bit. Let's see what happens kung i-share ko yung honest opinion ko. Honestly, I don't get the hype about this group. They're overrated. Hashtag sorry not sorry. There, posted na. Let's see kung anong reaction nila. Within minutes, hundreds of comments poured in. Some agreed, but most were furious. Kilala na kasi ako sa mga honest reviews ko. Pero this time, mukhang na-hit ko yung sensitive spot ng fans ng isang particular na boy band. Grabe, ang bilis ng reactions. Chill lang mga besh. Opinion ko lang naman to. Oh, si Diane nag-message.
Girl, nakita ko yung post mo. Ang savage. Pero grabe yung mga comments. Ang lala.
Alam mo naman ako, wala lang, honest lang. Pero intense na mga tao. Diane and I always share their thoughts about boy bands. Pero lately, napansin ko na sobrang defensive siya sa isang group. Siguro dahil super fan siya nito. Aga-aga ng notifications. Ano ba to? Huh? Ano to? Bakit nandito ang real name ko? Address! Pati school ko! Sinong may gawa nito? My heart raced as I read the hateful messages and threats from enraged fans. Panic set in. Who would do this to me? If only few people know these details about me. Diane? Hindi naman siguro siya. Pero, baka nga. She's the only one na alam lahat ng details na to. Kailangan kong malaman kung sino talaga may gawa nito. Pero paano? At ano gagawin ko kung si Diane nga? The once inseparable friendship between me and Diane is now at risk. I need to choose carefully.